All right, everybody. I just wanted to touch base with you guys and kind of go over this week. I know I'm getting questions, and that's great, so keep emailing me those questions. Remember that you're going to find most everything in that continuous learning document for your that you either got via email. Let's just go over a few things. I'm going to share my screen. All right, so here's your classroom. I went ahead and moved the continuous learning document to the top so that you can see that. That's where you're going to find everyday stuff. So it looks like this. We're ready for day 6. If you scroll down, see if I can do that. If you scroll down, you're going to read through these 3 environmental viewpoints, create a doc, and share yours. Tuesday is access your classroom. You're going to click on the assignment labeled school or frogs and read through that information. And then you're going to make a T-chart and you're going to weigh the costs and the benefits of building a school versus not building a school, and take a picture of that T-chart and post it in the comments on that assignment. After that, you'll get on and there's a form that you'll take, and let's just go back to the classroom so you can see that. So here is your reading. That's for Thursday. The first thing you'll do is click on the assignment school or frogs. I think it might take me, yeah, it takes me into a different view, so I'm sorry. There's a document in there, and it just has what, whether or not it's a paragraph about building a school, and just read through that. But if they build the school, it's going to be built on a habitat where there are rare frogs. So you're just going to make the T-chart of costs and benefits and post it in the comments. After you do that, you're going to, in the comments here, you're going to do, where's the form? I don't know if the form got attached. Yeah, that one has a form on it. Let's go back. There's a form right here. And basically what you're going to do is just vote and then explain why you voted that way. It's not a hard thing. It's just a vote, and we'll just see what the vote. And I'll tell you guys the results of that. Wednesday. So let's talk about Wednesday. Wednesday, let's get back into this. You are going to join me for a Zoom meeting if you want. The times are the same as last week. First hour is 9:30, third hour is 10. 4th hour is 10:30, and 6th hour is at 11. That's if you have any questions, or if you just want to hop on and you just want to say, hey, that's cool. Like, I'd love seeing you guys. So the Zoom link is the same as last week, but I will post the Zoom link again in here. The other place you can find it is in this continuous learning document for Wednesday. So here's your guys' Zoom links. Okay, first hour, remember 9:30, third hour, 10. 4th hour, 10:30, 6th hour, 11. So that will be Wednesday. Now, we do not have school or any activities on Friday because it is Good Friday. Monday, you also don't have any assignments. So when you get the next wave, the next 2 weeks, you're not going to have anything to do on Monday. Okay? I had shout out to Eli Tipton. I asked him if there was anything, because he's really good at communicating, if there's anything I should clarify. So let's go back into this week, the monster movie poster. I was going to show you an example of this. Not that. Maybe I am. That's for next 2 weeks. An example. Let me get into my screenshots, I think, actually. Maybe not. An example, okay, I'll just tell you an example. One of the examples from David Sullivan was the monster was a lumberjack, and that was deforestation. Claire Brown did Ronavirus, and it was Rona Man, and it was for public safety, and it was a different one. So I've gotten a lot of nuclear. There was a nuclear waste one, and it was a picture of a nuclear monster, and it said something about take care of it before he shuts your lights out. So that's kind of the monster movie poster. If you guys just give me some effort on this, then you're going to get points. Now let's talk about points. I'm not giving assignments a lot of points because basically it's extra credit. There's been a lot of discussion with teachers whether or not to give you participation points or to give you credit, like as far as extra credit for your assignments. I'm going to go ahead and keep it at, right now it's extra credit. So pretty much every time you do anything that's graded, which is a couple things a week or 2 or 3 things a week, you'll get 2 points, and it's basically extra credit points. So, and I'll readdress that once we get into the next couple weeks, because if it makes your guys' grades just ridiculously high, if you're passing my class with 125% or something like that, obviously I'm going to be reevaluating that. We'll maybe do participation points. I'm not worried about many of you failing. I only had a handful of you failing, but I know that some of you are in the D and low C range, so if you'd like to get your grade up, I'm going to go ahead and keep that extra credit for this time. Thank you guys for all that you're doing, and I know that this is a difficult time. I know I struggle with it when it's not sunny and nice out, just sitting around finding things to do at home. I've actually done a lot of cleaning and things like that, but it is important that we follow the CDC guidelines and we try to minimize meeting in groups and things like that. And so I know that it makes everyone restless, but try to get outside. I know a lot of you already have. So get outside when it's nice and enjoy what time you can outside. I missed you guys a lot. I hope to see you Wednesday at our Zoom meetings, and I'm signing off.